In this video, I'm going to give you my full thoughts and review on the skull&co grip case for the Nintendo Switch. Is this the best dockable grip case for Nintendo's current handheld? Hang tight until the end to find out. What is going on, guys, and welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Tommy and I make videos about tech, everyday carry, and travel. If any of these things interest you, please consider subscribing to my channel. So what I have here is the skull&co grip case for the Switch. This is a dockable case that features interchangeable grips to help you find the best fit. Here's the packaging that it comes in. In the box, you get the grip case itself with 3 adjustable grip sizes for your liking. The specific color that I have here is a neon yellow, but skull&co makes this case with color matching grips for pretty much all colors of the Joy-Con controllers. You can even buy just the grips if you prefer different colors down the line. So what are the 3 different grips? Skull&co calls these the snap grip, the trigger grip, and the plus grip. The snap grip is designed for most games and the average size hand. The trigger grip is designed for more intense or hardcore games and larger size hands. The plus grip is designed for giants. I've been using this case for a couple weeks now, and I have to say, it's actually pretty comfortable. The main body of this case is made from a TPU-like material, and the grips are made from a textured polycarbonate. It feels very similar to holding an OEM controller. I'm finding that the grips themselves are quite substantial, but I think this is what makes them comfortable to hold for longer play sessions. Throughout my stint with this case, I haven't noticed any hand cramps when using this case at all. If you guys are enjoying this video or finding it helpful so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could drop a thumbs up, as it really does help me out. So how does this case install? This case installs pretty easily onto the Nintendo Switch. The Switch goes in shoulder buttons first, followed by the rest of the Switch. One unique thing about this case is that it covers the shoulder buttons as well. Initially I thought I wouldn't like it, as I heard it does impact the responsiveness of the buttons, but in my experience I haven't really noticed any impact at all. The buttons are still quite tactile and easy to press. If anything, I kind of prefer them covered now. What I didn't realize initially about this case was that it actually docked. I sort of assumed that because it was bigger and thicker that it wouldn't fit inside the dock at all. But I was definitely wrong. Here is how the setup docks. I also have a glass screen protector on the Switch as well, and this combination docks with relative ease. The only downside, however, is that the USB ports are inaccessible when docked. In the end, I actually grew to like this grip case quite a bit. It definitely adds bulk and heft to the device, but I think this is the key to making it very comfortable to hold, as you actually have something to grip onto while you play, compared to a caseless Switch. I do think that this is more comfortable than the Mumba Blade Series case that I previously reviewed on my channel. If I were to choose, I'd prefer the Mumba simply for a slimmer profile and the aesthetics. But for ergonomics alone, you simply cannot beat this case. For $20, you absolutely have no reason to not get this case, and trust me, your hands will thank you. Thanks, Tommy. No problem, hand. I need a life. Speaking of thanks, thank you guys for tuning in for another Nintendo Switch video, and please leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and also subscribe if you want to see more content like this. As always, hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, and well during this time. Good vibes all around, and have an awesome day.